Hello friends, in our previous lecture we have started with exercise 1.1 and we have completed 5 sums of it. Now today we are again continuing for 6th sum. On page number 14 we are going for 6th sum. The sample space of a random experiment of selecting a number is u is equals to 1, 2, 3 dot 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 20. Means they are telling that a sample space is given to you in which number 1 to 20 are given. Write the sets. We have to write the sets for different events. Number 1 is selected number is odd number, so out of 1 to 20 you have to write the odd numbers. Then selected number is divisible by 3, you have to show the numbers divisible by 3, and selected number is divisible by 2 or 3, so you have to show the numbers both divisible by 2 and 3 both. Okay, so we are starting. So we are in exercise 1.1 and in that now we are going for 6th sum, and the thing which is given we will write sample space of selecting a number from comma next line u is equals to 1, 2, 3 dot 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 20. Total there are 20 numbers. Now number 1, see, as we have discussed, different events are defined using a b c d or a1 a2 a3. You can see in the 7th and 8th question events are directly defined. Event a1 is equals to, here they are not defined, so we will define it as a. The next event is b. Event a is equals to selected number is odd number. Which number? Odd number. Okay, so elements of set a will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. All these are the odd numbers. Number 2, event B, selected number is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Elements of set B, the numbers which are divisible by 3 are 3 itself, then in the tables of 3, 6, then 9, 12, 15, 18, and next number is 21, so it cannot come. Okay. Number 3, event C, selected number is divisible by 2 or 3. So both numbers are to be done. Okay. Now if we are looking from 1 to 20, 1 is not divisible by 3 and not by 2 also. 2 is possible by 2, then 3 is possible by 3, then 4 is again possible by 2, 5 is not possible by 2 or 3, then 6 is possible by 2 and 3 both, then 7 is not possible, again 8 is possible by 2, then 9 is possible by 3, then 10 is possible by 2, then 11 is not possible by both, then 12 is possible by both, then 13 is not possible, 14 is possible by 2, 15 is possible by 3, 16 is possible by 2, 17 is not possible by both, 18 is possible by 2 and 3 both, and 19 is not possible, 20 is possible by 2. So you have to see the possibilities for both, for A and for means for 2 and for 3. Okay, this sum is over. Now going for the 7th sum. You just have to show the elements, very easy sums. Okay, one family is selected from the families having 2 children. The sex, male or female, of the children of this family is noted. State the sample space of the experiment and write the sets in following events. So first, here sample space was given, we just have to show the events. Now sample space is not given, we have to make it. Now a family will be having 2 children. Now how we can write the sample space for two children? Same like we have written for two coins, because the possible outcomes of one coin is head and tail. In the same way, the possible outcome of a children sex is male or female, whether he is a boy or he is a girl. Now if there is only one child, then boy or girl, B and G is possible. But when there are two children, then B and G multiply B and G. So as we were getting in coin, here also we will get. So we will write sample space for a family having two children is. Okay. If there is one child and sex is to be noted, then boy and girl. If there is other child, then again boy and girl. Now we have to write the sample space. U is equals to B and B. So B, both are boys. B and G, boy and girl. G and B, girl and boy, and both are girls. See, same like the coin. B and B, BB. B and G, BG. G and B, GB. And G and G, GG. Now what does this BG and GB means? Here both are boys, here both are girls. But here first child is a boy, second child is a girl. Here first child is a girl, second child is a boy. So both is possible. Okay? Yes. Now in that, number one is event A1. So what they are talking about A1? One child is a female. One child is a female. So elements of set A1. We need one female. So all these three elements are possible. BG, GB. Only one child there, and not two child. BG and GB. Now these are the elements of set A. Now event A2. Here they are asking only one, so 2 is not possible. Okay, this is 2. Now in event A2, at least one child is a female. At least one child is a female. Now friends, first you all need to know what do you mean by at least. At least one means one or more than one. At most one means one or less than one. So you have to know these two terms. I will show you. At least one, at most one. In probability, always you will come across these two words. Now, what do you mean by at least one? One or more than one. At most one means one or less than one. So, this is important to note in probability. I explained this thing in 11th standard also in permutations and combinations, because permutations and combinations somewhere same like the probability only. So you need to know that when at least one is given, one is possible and more than one is possible. At most one means one is possible and less than one is also possible, not more than one. Now here they are asking for one child, so BG and GB, one child is a female. Now they are asking for at least one child, so one is okay and two is also okay. So BG, GB, G, G. Okay, so this is the thing. And remember this thing, if you want, you can write below to it, okay? Because this is very important to note in the terms of probability. Okay, now we are going for the next 8th sum. Sum number 8. 2 6-faced balanced dice are thrown simultaneously. State the sample space of this random experiment and hence write the sets of following events. Now friends, first we need to know that if there is only one dice, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. Now if there are 2 dice, then 6 multiply 6, 36 elements are possible. How much? 36 elements. So first here thing is to know how to write these 36 elements. And what 4 questions they are asking? Event A1. Sum of numbers on the dice is 7. So we have to show where sum is 7. Sum of numbers on dice is less than 4. So we have to show the elements for less than 4. Sum of numbers on dice is divisible by 3. So we have to show such sums which is divisible by 3, means where sum is 3, 6, 9 and 12. Why till 12? Because maximum sum in the dice is 6 plus 6, 12. I will show how. Then sum of numbers on dice is more than 12. That is not possible because the maximum elements in the dice are 6 and 6. So more than 12 sum is not possible. So all the things we will show, but first necessary things is how to write the sample space for 2 dice from simultaneously. Okay, now we are going for 8 sum. So I will write sample space for 2 balanced dice thrown simultaneously is. How to write these 36 elements? Listen here carefully, everyone. First we will write 1 with 1. Now 1 with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Now we will write all the elements with 2. So 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. But you should know that all the elements are in the same line. Now again we are changing the line and writing 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Again 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Again 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Again one more line. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So total there are 36 elements. How? In each line there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there are 6 lines. So total there are 36 elements, and this is the way to write the elements. You cannot write all the things continuously. You have to write in this way. Okay, now we are seeing the events. Number 1, event A1 is equals to sum of numbers on dice is 7. Sum of numbers on dice is 7. Elements for A1. Now friends, we have to check where the sum is 7. So if we get in first line, then in all the lines it is in a liner form. How? We will show. See, 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Here sum will be 4. Here sum will be 5. Here sum will be 6. Here sum is 7. 1 plus 6 is 7. So you don't have to underline. I am just underlining for understanding 1, 6. The first element where sum 7 is 1, 6. Now you decrease each element. So all will be in a form of steps. Pagatiyana form. So now see, here 2 plus 5, 7. Here 3 plus 4, 7. Here 4 plus 3, 7. Here 5 plus 2, 7. And here 6 plus 1, 7. So all the elements will be in a liner form. See, all the where sum is 7. Now no other elements are there where sum is 7, because here sum is 9, here sum is 8. So now friends, one thing I may have to tell you. Now all the elements in this side, in the left side, are less than 7, and all the elements here are more than 7. Here sum is 8, here sum is 8, here always 8. always 9, here always 10, here always 11, and here see maximum sum in the dice is 12. Okay? Yes. So now we will write the elements. 1 6, 2 5, 3 4, 4 3, 5 2, and 6 1. Total there are 6 elements. Then event A2. Now what is asked in event A2? Sum of numbers on dice is less than 4. Sum of numbers on dice is less than 4. So 4 is also not acceptable. Sum 2 3. Why? Because 4 is not possible. So minimum sum here 1 plus 1 is 2. Then sum should be 3. Sum should not be 4 because 4 is not acceptable. So where we are getting sum less than 4, first you check for sum 2. Sum 2 is here. Now no other element is here in zigzag, so no element is possible. Then where sum is 3, 1 plus 2 3 and 2 plus 1 3. Now all the elements on this side are having sum more than 4 because you see 3 1 means 4, 2 2 means 4, 1 3 means 4. So now all the elements are having sum more than 4, so less than 4 only 3 elements are possible. A2 is equals to 1 1, then 1 2, then 2 1. Okay. Now an important question is coming in event A3. Event A3. Okay, what they are telling in event A3? Sum of numbers on dice is divisible by 3. Okay. Sum of numbers on dice is divisible by 3. Now first you should know that what is the maximum sum of all the elements. See, maximum sum here is 6, 6 means 12. Here sum is 7, here sum is 8, 6 plus 2 8. Here sum is 9, 6 plus 3 9. Here sum is 10, sum is 11. Here maximum sum is 12. So the tables of 3 we will write till 12 where sum we are getting. So sum should be 3, 6, 9 and 12. So we have to check the elements where the sum is 3, where the sum is 6, where the sum is 9 and where the sum is 12. Only these 4 types of sum we have to see here, and now we are highlighting that thing. Now first we are checking where sum is 3. So just now only we have checked where sum is 3, 1 plus 2 is 3 and 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, in these 2 elements only sum will be 3 because 1 2 is 3, 2 1 is 3. Now all the elements on this side are more than 3, all the elements on that side only single element is there, that is less than 3. So sum 3 is only for 2 elements. Now we have to check whether where the sum is 6. Sum 6 will be first type here 1 5, then 2 4, then 3 3, then 4 2 and 5. It will be in a zigzag line. Okay, so 1 5, 2 4, 3 3, 4 2, 5. Always all the sums are 6. Now we have to check where sum is 9. 1 plus 6 is 7, 2 plus 6 is 8, 3 plus 6 is 9. So first time we are getting some 9 here. Now in a cross line 4 5, 5 4 and 6 3. So all these elements are having sum how much? 9. Now where sum is 12, only there is single element where sum is 12, and here sum cannot be more than 12 because maximum elements are 6 6 here and sum cannot be now more than that. So friends, now we have decided where sum is 3, where sum is 6, where sum is 9 and where sum is 12. Okay, so we have discussed all these things. Now we have to just write the elements, and these all are sum of numbers on dice. See, sum of numbers 6 plus 6, it is divisible by 3. 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 is also divisible by 3. So all these elements are for that. Okay, now we are writing the elements. Now from the first line, see, there are 2 elements 1 2 and 1 5. 1 2 1 5. We have to write in order of the lines. Now in second line again 2 elements 2 1 2 4. And then in third line also there are 2 3, 3, 3, 6. Then in fourth line also there are two elements. 4, 2, 4, 5. Then in fifth line also there are two elements. 5, 1, 5, 4. Then in sixth line also there are two elements. 6, 3 and 6, 6. Okay friends, so these are all the elements where sum is divisible by 3. Now number 4, event A4. Sum of numbers on dice is more than 12. Sum of numbers on dice is more than 12. Now for that we will write a null set. Why a null set? Because maximum sum is 12, so sum cannot be more than 12. So there are no elements where sum is more than 12. So A4 has a phi set, or you can show it as a null set. But both you cannot show. This thing if you are showing, then this means it is a single element. Or you show a phi set, or you show a null set. Okay, don't show both together. Okay. So better to show this phi set. Yes. So this sum is also over. So friends, I hope that you all are understanding. If you still not understand, then read the theory part which we have taken before 2 days. So I hope that now all are started writing in your notebooks. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.